2017 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on this beautiful truck. High flow cats there and there. There's the existing cats that were on it, right there and right there. Then he had somebody else in Florida do true duals for him, 2 1/4 all the way back. But he wanted it louder, so we got him hooked up with high flow cats there and there into 4-inch tips. It's all 2 1/4 system complete, true dual. Right there, as you guys can see. We'll have a link in the description for the tips and the high flow cats for you guys, okay? And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Let's record his reaction. What do you think?
Yo!
Give me gas?
Oh, yes! Yes!
You didn't expect it that loud, did you? Oh my God. That's what that's for all the people that's in the for all the people in the comments say that high flow cats don't do anything. Well, we just proved you guys wrong. Here we go again. You guys can see 121. It's probably even louder than that. Again. Go to bed. He's running away. Like, I should have done this a long time ago. Wow. It's so loud. I love it. What do you guys think? In the comments. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado True Dual with high flow cats out the sides into 4-inch tips. It is ungodly loud, and that's what we like. The louder, the better.